In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Coinbase on desktop. If you've been trading or checking your balance on a shared or public computer, logging out is a simple but important step to keep your account secure. I'll walk you through it from the very beginning so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Coinbase. In the results, make sure you're going to the official site. Look for the secure lock icon next to the address and the correct domain. This quick check helps you avoid phishing pages that try to mimic the real website. Once you're on the homepage, sign in as you normally would. Use your usual method, whether that's your email and password, a passkey, or another sign-in option. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that prompt as well. After a moment, you should land on your dashboard where you can see your portfolio or recent activity. Now, to access the logout option, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, a small circle with either your initials or an avatar. Click that to open a drop-down menu. If you don't see the icon, try maximizing the browser window or zooming out slightly so the top navigation bar isn't hidden. On smaller screens, you might see a menu icon first. Open that, then look for your profile. In the drop-down, find and click Sign Out. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. When you click it, Coinbase will end your session and take you back to the sign-in page. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm. That's it. Your account is now signed out on this browser. To double check, you should see the sign-in screen again, and you won't be able to access your dashboard without entering your credentials. If you refresh the page and it still asks you to sign in, you're logged out successfully. A few quick tips to stay safe. If you're on a shared computer, avoid saving your login in the browser and close the browser when you're done. Always navigate to Coinbase from a trusted bookmark or by typing the address yourself. And keep an eye out for unusually worded prompts or requests for personal information. That's the complete process for signing out of Coinbase on desktop. If this was helpful, feel free to replay any part you need and make logging out a regular habit every time you're finished. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.